Guys, checking in with you live from the car. I wanted to just give you guys an update. Life is a little bit better. I'm still doing therapy and different things like that. Me and my business partner, we kind of do kind of what Queen Latifah and them did in the movies. Like after business hours, we'll go clean like plasma centers, lawyer's office, doctor's office, everything. They can even put a funeral home on the list for us to do. So we kind of opt out. We do bars at the end of the night. So we go in there. We have professional cleaning products, different things like that. This is another one of the locations that we're at now. We go sign all the contracts, and depending on how big the job is, we're going with a 3-man crew, 4-man crew, and we get it done. And what I like about it is no micromanaging. Like we go in and we know what we got to do. We execute. We do the job. We have somebody that's doing the bathroom, somebody that's vacuuming, somebody that's on garbages, and that makes the job go a lot faster. So we're not dressed for work at right now. We're just, this is our day where we come in and we do all the different contracts and stuff like that. Tia does all the business contract, and I'm the one. I've had over 20 years in commercial cleaning, where I work for hospice and I worked in hospitals and stuff like that. So I would be the one that do the material safety data sheets, safety control, cleaning and stuff like that. So I would put together a plan for our cleaning crew and things like that and get it done. So that's pretty much what we've been doing now, and I kind of like it because I still not up to working with the public. So when we go in, is sometimes it is people in these warehouses and we just pretty much work around them. But that's kind of what I'm doing now. My reborns, and no guys, I haven't started back making the wigs, and no, not really making a lot of clothes. With my depression, I'm kind of like don't really want uh contact where I'm dealing with situations like that. So I just want to give you guys an update, because I bet y'all say Amarie is all over the place, and I get a lot of people that ask about the wigs and stuff. I do my own, and for Tia, but I haven't like opened back up to the public to do that. So when I get calls, I give referrals. So just right now, I just don't have the mindset, I guess, to do the wigs at this time. So I just want to give you guys an update with what's going on, and just some fun videos, just sharing an inside our life. So thank you guys for watching. As always, God bless. Bye bye.